You don't have to wait for big tech to build the future anymore. You can literally build your own humanoid robot. Not a toy, not a concept, a real, walking, seeing, listening machine. This is Asimov V1. All right, look. This thing stands about 1.2 meters tall, weighs 35 kilos, and it's not trying to look flashy. No weird sci-fi armor, no gimmicks. It's built like a machine that actually wants to work, and that's what makes it interesting. Let's start with movement. Asimov V1 runs on 25 actuators pushing up to 120 Newton-meters of torque. That's serious power for a robot this size. But here's the clever part. Its feet. They're not rigid. They've got spring-loaded, compliant toes. That means when it steps, it doesn't just hit the ground. It absorbs it. More like how we walk. Balanced, natural, less robotic, more alive. Now let's talk senses. This robot can see, listen, and speak. There's a monocular camera for vision, a microphone to hear you, and speakers to talk back. So, yeah, you're not just controlling it. You're interacting with it. And that changes everything. But here's where it gets wild. This isn't locked behind a company. Asimov V1 is open. You get access to the mechanical design, simulation files, even the full bill of materials, meaning you can build it yourself, customize it, train it. This isn't wait for the future. This is start building it. The structure? A mix of 7075 aluminum and 3D printed nylon parts. Light, strong, and actually practical to work with. And it's already set up for locomotion training out of the box. So if you're into robotics, AI, or just curious how these machines learn to move, you're not starting from zero. There's even a DIY kit option. You can source everything yourself, or just grab the kit, assemble it, and get going. $499 deposit, aiming around $15,000 total, with shipping expected end of summer 2026. Not cheap, but compared to most humanoid robots, it's almost accessible. And maybe that's the biggest shift here. For the first time, a humanoid robot isn't just something you watch in a lab or a promo video. It's something you can actually build, train, and make your own. Asimov V1 isn't the end goal. It's the starting line.